Residential hostel cum coaching center mission bank thang aizo atrangin ania voina class kanti tur he hemi question b ki enta ila hemi question sa khan Peter gave 1/4 of the amount he had to Michael. Michael in turn gave half of what he received from Peter to Sam. If the difference between the remaining amount with Peter and amount received by Sam is rupees 500, how much did Sam receive from Peter? Option A rupees 100, B rupees 200, C 400, D cannot be determined. E none of these ane. Ready? In sheet rapoi mo jo heavy option cannot be determined. None of these cannot be determined. Allow tel khan a question C complicate so kan iti kan shira ngai. Ani le a questions in the end khan option cannot be determined. Ani the ti he kan en lok ta ila. Anjinga hela Peter emo Sam emo ani lo le Michael te an poisa anjinga emo tu emo ber poisa pe kan em ti kha inena. Anjing ami ka pakhat ma chu pe ka nei lo nima sela an lo pe ki chu remaining amount received with Peter le amount received by Sam anin khawna kha cheng zanga ani ti an lo pe to wangin answer cannot be determined ha ani thei to lo tina ani. That is the first point. Ani le hela ya khat entai la Peter chuan an nei zong atanga 1/4 kha Michael ne na khan ava pe ani. Sumium je tu Petera thil nei za ti mayang zong hi x long ni ta se hemi x atrangin Michael kha m kha Michael kha mun li athena mun kha thi avape ani chuan 1/4 x tina ani to be 1/4 x apek chuan Petera kan chuan a remaining pr kaila Peter remaining amount to exange ani kan ti chuan a total amount tranga helai Michael a pek za da kha inno payang chuan 4 minus 1 to engeni kha 3x by 4 hemi za hi Peter remaining money he have kha ani to ani jan next Michael ve thung chuan Sam kha Achanve, Michael in turn gave half of what he received from Peter to Sam. Michael vetung chuan Peter atanga adon zat hemi atanga achanve kha Sam ne na khan avapian chubang chuan half of x by 4, that is x by 80 Sam ne na khan avapian ani le helai khan a next sentence kan lo chiar chuan enge difference between the remaining amount with Peter and amount received by Sam is 500 ki hian no pe ani chumi je chu hemi Peter remaining amount le Sam amount in cloud na ka cheng zanga tina ani chumi je chu PR minus Sam kan ti chuan cheng zanga tina ani chun PR kan ti hi Peter remaining amount kha 3x by 4 minus x by 8 equal to 500. Then you take the LCM. LCM will become 8. 8 and here 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 are 6. 6x minus x is equal to 500. And it's 5x and here 5 8 are 40 dimayang. Saying sangli hemi 8 le 500 puntir kha ani dujon puntir kher po angai lo 5 8 or 40, then you get here x equal to 800 masikan zon tu makha enge ani kan ti chuan hemi Michael champual kha ani Peter atranga avadom za Michael in adom za kan chutwani pang chuan Michael amount of money received by Michael from Peter to 1/4 of x, that is 800. You get here 200 rupees ani. So your answer will be option B ani. Method da enlok ta ila hemi method lo ba method da kan lo en chuan Petera thil nei zong a he Petera kan cheng za lo nei ta se ita ila cheng za lo nei a chumi atrangin
Michael he munli athena mun khat of pek chuan 1/4 into 100 it is 25 rupees he Michael ne na khan of petok tina ani chuan petira chuan remaining amount ani tu chu exactly kan ti chuan Michael cheng som ni panga pek to chuan cheng za tangin cheng som sari le panga ani tina ani chuan anexa Michael ve thum chuan sam ne na hemi cheng som ni le panga atanga achan ve kha ava pen to me to half ani into 25 that is 12.5 rupees hi ava peto ina ani chuan anexa allo sei chu question sa khan difference between remaining amount with Peter and amount received by Sam is 500 at each one. Helaya Peter received less Sam received in Kauna 75 minus 12.5 to examine Nika Som Ruble Pani 0.5 Kanti hi Ching Zanga Tina Ane 62.5 hi Ching Zanga Ane Chuan Mun Kat Kalau chuan 500 divided by 62.5 tina ani le kan som tum kha enge kan ti chuan Michael a khani mun som ni panga ani chuan 25 kan ti chuan 500 divided by 62.5 into 25 and this one is equal to rupees 200 hei hi ani chuan helai point sa khan thil tam tak kan zir bel tur om ani to be a chen helaya 1/4 kan ti hi enge ani a percentage song a khan exact percent nge kan ti 1/4 ti eng percent nge inang kan ti chuan 25% kha ani to the question sa khan 25% of 425 ti an lo pek chuan 25 divided by 100 into 425 ti kan lo la khan time hi a consumer ani to me in helaya 1/4 tita ila hemi hi in cancel anga 106.25 ka answer udon ani to me libang jon helaya kan lag dana khan engtin nge percentage sa ko kan by heart system in local tu kan du chu 25% to 1/4 ania ani le 3/8 fraction kan hi eng percent nge ani ti de this one is same as 37.5%. Ebo decimal ti te kan questions kha lo om the. Chumi anga te chuan hemi points te kha kan sheet chian kha angai don tina ani. Ani le 25% of 420 ti ang zong in lo la taila. Option such as 25/100 into 420 kan tia in cancel la hela kan 4 in mua 4105 in mu ani. Chumi ni lo ba 25 to 1/4 ani ti here chuan hemi 420 hi 4 in sem ngal the ani to me chuan less time consuming ani don ani chuan hena hi en le tai la 25% lovin 125 lo ni ta se 125% of 420 kan ti chuan hemi 125 kan ti 100 plus 25 ti na ani 100% of 420 kan ti chuan 100% of 420 to 420 tho ti na ani I the 25% kan ti chu enge kan ti chun 25% of 420 kan ti chuan 25 to 1/4 into 420 hey hi in cancel chuan 105 in mu ani ai chun 125% of 420 kan ti chu enge kan ti chuan zali som ni le za le panga in be khom chu sanga som ni le panga hey hi in answer ani mai do ani to the entinam 125 pon lovin 225 ko long ni ro se kan sheet to 225% of 420 kan ti 225 to 100 plus 100 plus 25 ti na ani 100% of 420 kan ti 420 ani maya hey po hi 420 ani 25% kan lo ti 1/4 into 420 hey hi in cancel anga 105 chuan hemi 420 le 420 le hemi 105 in bel khomang 945 to be to in answer ngal mai do ani chubang chon helaya percentage sa ko kan confirm kur tu kan sheet tu chu 0.25% te 30% enge ani a percent thang hi nakin class ne akhan kan zero don ani chuan hey he residential hostel kam coaching center mission bank thang aizo ania day full time dukan day full time ma hostel dukan hostel ma chuan day ni khada voi khat kal te point adukan class ka reng the ani ส่วน contact number คัน9089 3 pathum 481 SM ไงเดค่ะin the โดนเนี่ยกันดูตัวกัน